Hi, Janet here. Now this sequence is a breathing technique called collarbone breathing, and you know from previous videos that the top and the bottom of your hand, the top side and the back side, have different polarities. So what we want to do is start off, make just like a water pistol, and put effectively what's the underside of your hand, 2 fingers on the collarbone, literally right on the knobbly bit. So find the recess here, and then you're going to drop down literally not even an inch to the side, so it's almost right in the center. So that's the first hand position, and then the second hand position is going to be the back of the hand. So rather than try and turn the hand round, all you've got to do is tuck the fingers under, and the thumb needs to stay away from the skin, otherwise that will literally short the circuit. So the hand positions are fingers and knuckles, and then we do the same on the other collarbone, and then we're going to change hands, fingers and knuckles. So we've got 2 more pieces to add to this process, and the first one is the tapping. So we're going to tap continuously between these 2 fingers, the little finger and the ring finger, and the whole time you've got your fingers on your collarbone, you're going to be tapping. And then the third and final component is the breathing. So we're going to take a deep breath all the way in and hold it at the top of the breath like this, and then you let half of that breath out and hold it, all of the breath out and relax. Half of a breath in, just half, and relax. And then we'll repeat that breathing sequence, but this time with the fingers tucked underneath. So tapping the same point, breathe in, hold at the top of the breath, halfway out, all the way out, halfway in, and out. And then we change sides, so fingers, breathe in, halfway, all the way, halfway in, and out. Now you change hands, so the hand that was tapping, now just make like a water pistol, just press on that collarbone, keep the thumb clear, and repeat the breathing. All the way in, halfway, all the way out, halfway in, and out. And knuckles, breathe in, halfway, all the way, halfway in, and out. And then the last one, breathe in, halfway, all the way, halfway in, and out. You can probably hear the change in my voice, lovely and relaxed. And finally, breathe in, halfway, all the way, halfway in, and out. And that's really useful technique to do for a complete reset in terms of your energy. Enjoy.